Welcome to my channel. How to find best deals on Cadillac engines. 1. Identify your Cadillac model and engine type. Check your vehicle model, year, and engine specification before searching. 2. Search reputable online auto parts stores. Visit trusted websites that sell used or remanufactured Cadillac engines. 3. Compare prices from multiple sellers. Don't buy from the first seller, compare prices to find the best deal. 4. Check for warranty options. Choose engines that come with at least a 3 to 12-month warranty. 5. Look for certified remanufactured engines. These engines are rebuilt and tested for better reliability. 6. Read customer reviews and ratings. Reviews help you identify trustworthy sellers and avoid scams. 7. Ask about mileage and engine condition. Lower mileage engines usually last longer. 8. Check shipping costs and delivery time. Some sellers offer free or discounted shipping. 9. Contact the seller for details. Ask about compatibility, return policy, and installation requirements. 10. Confirm return policy before purchase. A flexible return policy protects you if the engine doesn't fit or work. Thanks for watching.